This Berlin dish of sausage in a spicy sauce is a fast food favourite in Germany, enjoyed as a midnight snack, takeaway lunch and pretty much everything in between. The tangy curry ketchup goes brilliantly with our bangers, chips and pickles. Partially slice 8 Slimming World pork sausages to hasselback them. Using the wooden spoons will stop you cutting all the way through. And then cook according to the pack instructions. While they're cooking, make the sauce. Add 6 level tablespoons of reduced sugar and salt tomato ketchup to a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of medium curry powder, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 level teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic granules, and 3 level tablespoons of apple juice or cider vinegar, and heat everything through. When it begins to bubble, remove from the heat and stir in half a level teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, which will bubble and foam. Just keep stirring for a few seconds until the bubbles disappear. Serve with the cooked sausages, chips and your favourite pickles.